Okay, may buntag guys. Karon magluto ta og simple ra kaayo cream corn style recipe. Okay, so mao ni ang atong mga ingredients. Broth, Parmesan cheese, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of parsley. And then, a tablespoon of butter. And then, Philadelphia cheese. Cream cheese, I mean. And then, the sweet corn. This is a canned corn. Sweet canned corn. And then, garlic. And then, onion. Okay, magsugod na tahaw. Ato, butangan of butter. Butter. And then, we're gonna saute the garlic. Okay. Butter. And then, gisahon ang ahos. O, kunya dayon. Sunod, gisahon na pod ang bombay. Okay guys, sunod, pagkahuman gisa sa ahos o bombay, ato nang ilunod ang corn. Okay. And then guys, ako butangan na to og black pepper. Just a pinch of salt. Or butangan na to gamay nga asin. And then guys, ato ni ibutang ang ganing teaspoon nga paprika, teaspoon nga basil, teaspoon nga parsley. Okay? I-add ang cream cheese guys. I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. It's yummy na guys. It's yummy. Okay. Next, I'm going akong butang ang usa ka tasa nga broth. And then guys, atong i-add ang Parmesan cheese. Okay guys, and now we're gonna simmer for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and we're gonna cover first after 4 minutes. Okay. It's done, guys. Look at that one. Oh, it's very creamy. corn style recipe. Okay, it's done, guys. Cut that one. It's very yummy. And then I'm gonna taste, guys. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat now, guys. Look at all. It's very creamy. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat now. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, that's our creamy corn style recipe. Okay, if you got guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.